Now let's continue with the comparison of abstraction versus encapsulation. The next point is abstraction hides the internal implementation to reduce the complexity of the application. So the complex logic of saving the data into the database, then checking out the data and then printing it to the user, this complex information is put inside the method to reduce the complexity of the application. Encapsulation hides the data for the purpose of data protection, whereas encapsulation hides the important data which is not useful for the external world using the private keyword. So abstraction hides the internal implementation to reduce the complexity, whereas encapsulation hides the data for the purpose of the protection. Next point is abstraction hides the internal detail not necessary for the user. So because internal implementation is not necessary for the user, so that is hidden from the external world. And whereas encapsulation hides the data not to be shared to the outside world, it can be a variable or even it can be a method. It is not all necessary that every method will be public. In certain scenario, there would be some methods that could be private also. We'll see that scenario as well. So encapsulation hides the data not to be shared to the outside world, and obviously it can be a variable or it can be a method. So these are the few more points of discussion along with the comparison of abstraction versus encapsulation. Okay, so the point number third is hides the internal implementation to reduce the complexity of the application. Fourth point of abstraction is abstraction hides the internal details not necessary for the user. Which details are not necessary for the user will be hidden, whereas encapsulation hides the data for the purpose of protection, and encapsulation hides the data not to be shared to the outside world. And obviously the data not to be shared with the outside world can be a variable or can be a method also. So this is what the next level of comparison in abstraction versus encapsulation. We'll dig into more into the comparison in our upcoming sessions.